Hey guys, today I'm going to make part 1 of the tutorial. There's going to be 2 parts in this tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be about how to make the simple calculator that I made a preview on before. You can go check it out. I'll put it right here on screen. So yeah, you can check that out and then you can look at it. I did give you time to look at the code and you can copy it and whatever. But today I'm going to show you how to code it yourself. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make your basic HTML document with all the tags. So I'll just give you a little bit of time to actually finish it. You can put the title to whatever you want, but I'll just put it just like this version. I'm going to want to save because I'm going to a lot of things. So I'm just going to do calculator tutorial and save it as .html. Then just put these style tags as empty and just make a link tag right here. Put the row to icon. I'm going to show you. So, put it to I'll show you what all this means after I've done this. Okay, so just paste in this code or just copy it, and I'll show you what it means. So let me come in here. Okay, so right here, wherever you saved it, you're just going to want to make a new folder, which I already made, and name it _img for image. So you can go in here. You don't need to make this folder, and I already made this icon right here. What's this website? favicon.cc. I'll put the link in the description so you can make your. And right here you can make animated favicons, or you can just make a normal one. I just made a normal one, and after you're done that, you just want to click download favicon and move it from the downloads to your folder in the image right here. So I already have it. Name it whatever you want, and I just named mine calculator icon. So then you put the _image / calculator icon. I forgot. There. This rel, it tells your browser that it's an icon, and this tells what type it is. So yeah. Then what you want to do after this is make this div, this really big div, all the way here. So you're going to want it to name it ID cal body or calculator main body or whatever you want. So oops, there you go. ID is equal to, I'm just going to do cal body, then make 2 other divs. Put the top one as ID answer, and put the bottom one to each buttons, just like the other one here. See, so this top div, just make an input and put the ID to box or whatever. I'm going to do this all the script in part 2 of this tutorial. So then go and make all these buttons right here in each button. So just go button, and then you can just copy and paste this after every time. So one, and just make this class text. Yeah, make the button class buttons and make the ID into just one I. Copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to add more later on. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then here in this I you can just put 1, 2, put 4, 5, 6. Oops, 1, 20. Yeah, it tells you how much is selected here, since that has the same amount. To change it, go. So just check it right here. It would say in Notepad++. Say it's selected 10, 9, 8. You want just that 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then 2, 1. There. So yeah. You can add in the equal and pluses sign right now, but I'm not going to add it right now. I'm going to add it later on. And then all you need to do is make a script tag right here. And just leave it there. Don't do anything with it. In the style, you're going to want to make the body whatever background color you want. But I'm just going to make it background color, the hex colors I found up here. Just going to copy all this. So I'm just going to make the background color black here, and text line equal to center. And just so you know, there's the W3 schools. I'll put a link in the description so you can find any hex color you want here. So I just used the gray white to black scale to find the colors for this. So okay, then you're going to want to make this cow body style, or this div ID. And then you're going to want to make it the background color of whatever color you want, and then you have to make the border darker than the background color. That's very important, so it looks better. And then border solid 3 pixels or 4 pixels. 4 pixels. And make it 73, 70, 70. You can just copy this or get whatever color you want. So border radius of 5 pixels. This makes the border rounder. Did you know that? Oops, text align is equal to center. And yeah, that's it for this. So after this, you're going to want to style H buttons. I'm going to hold off on answer and box until a little later, but I'm just going to do this. H buttons. And right here I'm going to just copy all this. So the background color is going to be brighter than the calculator. Is going to be brighter than this color right here. This color is going to be brighter than this color. There. So okay. And this color is actually going to be brighter than this color too. So this is going to have the background of this color. Going to have solid 3 pixels thick. Solid 3 pixels, and text color 888888. It's easy to remember. Border radius to 15 pixels. And text align center, padding top 5%, and padding bottom 36%. This percent is kind of changes when it becomes smaller. Yeah. It's a little buggy, but it kind of sizes everything to scale, kind of. Then this buttons, the class of buttons right here. Class buttons. You're going to want to do, to position is absolute. This means it can be placed anywhere you want to. That's where this parts come in after, but yeah. So just do position absolute. Background color is A5, A5, A5. Oops. A5, A5, A5. Then you're going to want to make the border solid 2 pixels and the hex color 91, 91, 91. Oops, there you go. And the border radius is going to be equal to 3 pixels. Text align center. Width is 7%. This 7% and height is 11%. This is very important because the positioning and the spacing between all of the buttons and everything is going to change if it's going to change a lot if you don't make it 7% and 11%. So just saying. Then you want to make buttons active when it's active and pressed. Oops, not what I wanted to do. You're going to want to make the border solid 3 pixels. 91, 91, 91. Same color and everything. I set this to 2 pixels so it can actually, the buttons when they're close, they can look like they're that. And then when it's 3 pixels, it doesn't change the size or anything. It just changes how thick the outside of it looks like. So it looks like it is being pressed. I'm not sure if you can see that, but on my screen it looks like that. Alright, then going to style text. Dot text. It's all these class text, all the paragraphs. The class text. It's pretty simple. It's going to be just color 32, 32, 32 in here. Font size for Dana. or font family Verdana, or whatever font you want. And then font size 1.5 viewpoint. Font size 1.5 viewpoint. I just think of it viewpoint, but it's really not. It's just VW. Reminds me of view, and then if the W wasn't there, so it's a V. Out the viewpoint. It's just like a font size that changes and gets bigger and smaller. Just like the percent, kind of, but then we're going to style all the IDs, I, and all that. So, yeah. Right here, after you're done styling this, you can add in all the multiplication and equal and addition and subtraction and divide and clear and decimal buttons after you're done styling all this, if you want to. So this is the part where this comes in. The width and height comes in, and it's very important because the spacing and positioning of these are made to match and fit close together. So I'm just going to copy this, and each one 43. So the first three is going to be top is 37%, and the left just add by 7. So no, 47%. Then, because of this was 7%, see? So it starts at 33, 40, then 47, and the height is 11. Then you can just keep on going like that. Oops. Just keep on going. So left is the same. Left is the same as before, 33%. It's just the top changes. So the top actually increases by 11%. So now it's 48%. Left 40%. Top is 48%. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left is 33%, and the top is 59%. So yeah, I'll give you time to catch up on this and wait a little. Okay, so now you can basically just copy and paste this. I just thought of that. So you can just copy and paste it. There. Sure. Okay. 5. Just you have to change the top to 59%. So how many is that? 8. Oops, currently. Oof. 33%. Top would be 70%. Actually, I'm not sure. I think this changes. 9, 8, 40, 59. I think I did something wrong. 37, 37, 37, 48, 48, 48, 59, 59, 59, 70. Yes, 8 is 59, and then 9 is 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I might have skipped one. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Oh! Oh, I see what I did. 7, this has to be 8. This has to be 9. And that's 10. So now, I got it. And delete this. This is going to be the only one. That's just a 0. So I'm going to actually... Okay, so see this. It's weird looking. But we have the buttons in shape. Oh yeah, and I forgot one thing. In this buttons, you have to put outline is to none, so that bad blue glow around it doesn't show up, and it's just, like that. Actually, I'm just looking at if I did the padding right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that should be right. Okay, then you can now add in the equal sign. First the equal sign, then the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So, subtraction, multiplication, and division. No, just kidding. That won't come up, and it won't work. So you can put this to what did I put this to? Equal, add, subtract. Wait. Oh, so just the first two letters. Okay. So DIML or MU, SU, and PL, and EQ. Yeah. So you have that, and then you can add in the clear and the decimal. So I'm just going to 1, 2, and put clear and decimal. DE and CL. Okay, now for the style of this is going to be a little bit different. Some is going to be some like the equal sign and the clear will be bigger than the other. See, so clear, equal. So. Okay, so let's start with equal. Equal is going to be all the way at the bottom, so 71%. And the left is 40, but the width is 14, so you just double the 7%. So, cool. The left is 40%. Top is 70%, right, with the 0. And the width is 14%. So 7 times 2. Then you can do the plus. Going to be actually after 47%. It's going to add another 7, so 54. So the plus will be right here. So that's 33%, 40%, 47%, 54%, and then 61%. So just keep on doing that. And this is plus is going to be in line with the 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3. So 37, and then subtraction is going to be left 54 the same, and the top is just going to be change. So 48, and then multiplication left is 54%, and the top will be 49%, and then divide will be left is equal to 54% again, and top will be 70% with the 0 and the equal sign. So this will change a little bit. We have that. We just didn't put the yes. Okay. Now we just have to do clear CL, which is going to be left one more than 61%, as I said before. Top is going to be the same, 33%, except this time the height is going to actually triple, so it's 33%. And decimal to finish this off will be left is 61%, and the top will be 70% with stuff. So this will change. Oh, this has to come down a little bit, the clear. So come down, clear, 37, not 33. Just got confused there. There you go. So now everything's in line and everything. What's wrong about this? This top part is going to come and be better when this is here like that. So, yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to let you catch up on all this. So I'm just going to come here. You can pause it and copy. Okay. So, yeah. After that, you're going to want to style the answer in the box. You don't have to do this. I was just testing with that. So let's go and style this answer in this box. So answer and box. I'm just going to put this so I have it ready. So answer, it's going to have a background color of next color 96, 96, 96. Oops. X colors usually have only 6 letters or digits combined with a number sign before it. Border is, so this answer is basically the same thing as this H buttons. You can even copy it and paste it, but you just have to change the padding bottom and change it to 5% again. It's 5%. So you can just copy paste from the H buttons or whatever you did that held the buttons. Now for the box, it's going to be a little bit different. The padding for the bottom is going to be 3%. This kind of makes it bigger, or yeah, actually, right. This makes it bigger, but still has that limit. So the limit I can show you right after. and outline, outline none, so it doesn't give that blue glow around it. Put border none. Border radius 2%. 2% actually. Background color to white. Because when it's disabled, it comes a grayish color, so I'm just going to get that out of the way. Font family is Verdana, and the font size will be 2.1 view points, as I say, and then the color is going to be the lower the numbers. This is, I kind of think of it as RGB, red, green, blue, as like the first is going to be red, and the second is green, and then third is blue. And the less it is, the darker it is, and the more it is, the brighter it is. And I think like A is 100, so like up there. Yeah, right there. So it's like 105. So, yeah. Okay, so this should change a little. There you go. You have the side, and it's right here. So it basically looks the same. And that's basically it for this first part of the tutorial. The second part's going to be coming out tomorrow, I think. So, or today, whenever I have time. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you like this tutorial. Bye.